Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a click, and the bonnet will slightly pop up, indicating it's unlatched from the primary lock. Now, move to the front of your Ecosport. Reach your hand under the front edge of the bonnet, right above the grille. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from flying open accidentally while driving, so it's an important safety feature. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll typically need to push it to the side, or sometimes lift it up with your fingers. This action fully disengages the final lock. With the safety catch released, you can now lift the bonnet completely open, revealing the engine bay. To keep the bonnet safely open, find the support rod, usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. Ensure it's firmly seated to prevent the bonnet from accidentally closing while you're working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.